Hello, we made an endpoint where you can send us an email and we will return everything we know about the company. We had many customers using it for scoring, especially when a new user signs up on their product. I wanted to make a video about it to show you how you can do it in a few lines of code. You just need to initialize our SDK with your API token. Then you can send us the email of your new users. You can ask us to refresh the information of the company by rescraping the website and reanalyzing everything. The response will be longer though, so you have to make sure that this is what you want. Then you can get the company information as well as additional information about the email. Let's uncomment everything. If I run this file, I get everything about the HubSpot company, like the business type, the industry, information about the total employees, the foundation, and if there are application for Android, iOS, everything we have in the profile will be sent to you. Also, the description can be useful if you want to get more context and maybe use an AI algorithm to quickly check if it's matching your ideal customer profile, social networks, and the technology they're using. How can you build a quick scoring algorithm? All you have to do is to define a score. Then, for instance, most of our customers are coming from the software development. So when someone is signing up with and coming from this industry, we usually assign a higher score to this type of lead. Then, if a company has many employees, for instance, more than 1,000, you can also increment the score again. And if they are making more than 10 million per year, you can also increase the score by 50, for instance. Then what happens is that when the score will be higher than 20, we will do some things. If the score is higher than 50, we'll do another funnel, and so on. Now, if I run this file again, I can see that the system is saying that this is a good lead and HubSpot has a score of 85. So what can you do to go further than this? We can notify the sales team about high quality leads via Slack or email. You can also store the lead and set the score in a CRM or your database. But we also had customers that trigger a custom onboarding or a specific email sequence when a good lead sign up. So there are many, many things you can do. It's up to you to check with your team and with us, of course, if you need a specific data point, or you can improve your scoring system and trigger a few smart tasks behind the scene. Of course, if you need anything, you can check our documentation, and the endpoint is called Unreach a Company from Email. You can also unreach a company from a domain name if you just have the domain name, or from a social network. We are available in the chat box here if you need anything, and we have also all of the data points available in the company data points page, where you can browse and see everything we have to fine-tune your scoring algorithm. See you in the next video.